Hey everyone, it's Cheri with Blessed Baubles, and I am driving around looking at some Christmas lights. I'm about to go pick up some Christmas dinner for us for tomorrow. It'll just be my son Joshua and I, and then on the weekend I will get together with my other boys. So you know how it goes. I'm probably doing a terrible job because I have to drive and I can't really look at what I'm doing. But I'll get a few things on here on video so you can enjoy the lights. I think I see a pretty one coming up here. I don't know what I'm gonna do if someone comes the other way, but we'll see how it goes. So pretty, right? I'm hoping I'm catching a little bit of the snow on the ground because it looks really pretty. As soon as I pulled up, the trees got in the way, but that's a really pretty one. And then over here, they did a nice job there as well. About the best I can do is just rest my hand on the dashboard and see what happens. I just passed one house. I wish I got it. Maybe I'll turn around. But the guy had decorated his boat. Pretty cool. This is so pretty. I think they have some kind of rotating light near their front door. But that's a nice one too. Very beautiful. All white lights. That looks great. This one's cute. Oh, is that my window? Oopsie. Snowman in the front. I don't even know where I am. I'm just turning down all these roads, but I'll turn on the GPS and figure out where I am when I'm ready to stop recording. Really pretty colors on this side. This is a fancy place. They did a great job. Look at the icicle lights, really cute. I found a really nice one here. I put my window down. It's so quiet out with the snow on the ground. So right now I'm in the town of Mashpee. It's just a couple minutes from Falmouth. And it's a nice little town. Big giant Christmas tree there. Wow. So I think I did the wrong thing. Look at my GPS. It looks like I'm heading towards the water, which is not what I meant to do. So I'll get a few more things. Few more houses, and then I'll say goodbye to you all just for now. Okay everyone, I think I found a good place to sit for a minute. I'm sorry about the cars that go by, but I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. I hope you're all having a great night and celebrating all of your holidays and a very happy new year. And if you're not having a happy night, please know that I'm thinking of you and I'm praying for you. And I do care very much about each and every one of you. So if any of you out there are sad, I know I'm sad a little bit from missing my parents, just know how much God loves you. He loves you so much that he sent his son to die for us and raise on the third day. And yes, he loves you greatly, and so do I. So thank you all. I'll see you very soon. Have a great one. Bye.